Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you a really nice envelope that I received. It contains beautiful water decals for your nails, of course, by CandyNailsUK.com. So they were that super kind to actually contact me on Instagram asking me if I wanted to try out some of their decals. So that was actually back when I was still in Thailand. I think it was the end of October or something. So yeah, it took a little while for me to actually unpack it all, getting home from my trip, all that jazz. So yeah, the time is finally here for you guys to see what beautiful water decals I was sent out. So once again, I got these sent out for free, but I'm not sponsored or paid in any other way, just a little disclaimer. And yeah, let me just show you all of the beautiful decals. There are a couple of them that I chose and also some extras that like my contact from CandyNailsUK.com put into this little envelope as well. So there's in each of the decals is a little instruction paper. It's really easy to follow all of the directions, and once again, I've been using water decals for so long, I pretty much can do it blindfolded, which would be a really cool challenge actually. But the first one I got is a beautiful Barbie inspired one. The second one is full on Gucci. I actually chose the different ones together with my husband. My husband is such a big Gucci fan. I pretty much love that design as well, with a little bee on there. Then I also got some Moschino or Moschino. I don't really, everyone says it differently. I always say Moschino, but please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm always up to knowing how things are actually pronounced, so yeah, thanks on forehand. Then I also got this cute little one, Disney inspired, with some Disney characters on there. And again, you have your instructions. It also says to always apply them on a white base, just to make sure that all of the colors are really popping. And this last one I got, I really had to laugh about this one. I actually kind of giggled because that middle finger Grinch, that is epic. So she actually put this one in there as well. I think it looks really cool, and I am going to use this little pack of decals for a little demonstration that I'm also going to post in this video, because I did really want to try them out. And yeah, since Christmas is just around the corner, we're in December already, can you believe it? So yeah, I'm just going to use a couple of the decals. I think I'm going to use 3, and I have prepped these press-on nails. I'm just going to do it on press-on nails because when I recorded this I was full on working on my winter nail art week, which will start on the 16th of December, by the way, which is a week where I post 7 days in a row nail art designs with regular nail polishes as well as gel polishes with some cool winter or Christmassy designs. So keep an eye out for that if you're curious about that. I did it last year as well, and a lot of people were already asking me on Instagram as well here on Facebook if I was going to do another winter nail art week. So yes, I am doing that. But first of all, you want to cut out all of the decals that you want to use. It says in the instructions, so I'm starting to stutter here. It says so in the instructions to just cut them out as precisely as possible, and to of course apply them to a white base. So I have applied perfect white to one of my press-on nails, or at least to the 3 press-on nails that I'm going to use, or at least apply these decals on. So I just want to cut them out of the full sheet, cut them out a little bit more precisely if needed. As you can see me doing here, I'm just cutting away a little bit of that white backing paper, which was totally excess. You don't need that. The only thing that I did notice is that these decals don't have a clear film on top. Like I have explained in previous videos, also in my how to use water decal video, that you always have a clear film that you have to remove first before you dunk it in the water. With these decals from CandyNailsUK.com, you don't have to do that because it doesn't have a clear film. film, which is something I just had to get used to a little bit because I'm so used of peeling off the clear film. So yeah, that's actually just one step less you have to do while applying these decals, which is pretty cool. Like, it saves a little bit of your time, a little bit hassle, or less hassle, I have to say. So yeah, here you could just see me dunk it in the water. You have to keep it in for just like 10 seconds or something. They slide off the backing paper really easily, and you just want to apply it to the nail. I did remove the sticky layer of the gel polish with some rubbing alcohol, just because I was going to press them down with my fingers. I wasn't wearing any gloves or anything, so I just removed the sticky uncured layer of the gel after that had cured for like 30 seconds. And yeah, you can just press them on. Something that I really love doing is just place them softly on the nail. Make sure that the middle is really tight and like wrinkleless on there, and then you can start smoothing out the sides. That's just something that has my personal preference, but it's totally up to you how you want to like place these. If you feel like I want to start at the top, that's totally fine as well. I just feel like if I place it perfectly down the middle first, it is easier for me to just smooth down the edges. Again, if you have any excess that just runs over the edge of the nail, you can just take a little nail file and just remove that excess. Usually with water decals, I remove any excess with a remover, but that didn't say so on the instructions. So just to be clear, I am like running through or working through the instructions just to make sure I apply them correctly, because these are a little bit of a different water decal than what I usually go for. So yeah, I'm just going to add my No Wipe top coat by Madam Glam as well. And yeah, for the rest of the video, I'm just going to add a little bit of Christmassy music. I'm really into Christmas. I can't wait till Christmas has started, and I really hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. All of these decals are really affordable as well. They are like a little below or a little above €3 for a sheet, which is pretty cool because these are very unique designs. So do check out CandyNailsUK.com if you are interested. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.